When it comes to creating a comfortable living environment in Covington, Louisiana, one of the most effective and often overlooked upgrades you can make is window replacement. Old, inefficient windows can significantly impact your home's temperature regulation, energy efficiency, and overall comfort. Replacing your windows with more modern, energy-efficient options can transform your home, providing a more consistent indoor temperature, reducing energy costs, and enhancing the overall aesthetic of your living space. In this article, we'll explore the ways that window replacement in Covington can positively affect your home's comfort and why it's worth considering. Improved temperature regulation. One of the primary benefits of window replacement is the improvement in temperature regulation within your home. If your windows are old or poorly sealed, they can allow cold air to enter during the winter and heat to escape during the summer, making it harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, leading to fluctuating temperatures and higher energy costs. Double or triple pane windows. By installing double or triple pane windows, you add an extra layer of insulation that reduces heat transfer. These windows have multiple layers of glass with air or gas, like argon, sealed between them. This added layer of insulation helps to keep the warmth inside during winter and block heat from entering during the summer, keeping your home at a comfortable temperature year-round. Low-E glass coating. Many modern windows come with low-E, low emissivity, glass coatings that reflect heat back into your home during winter while blocking excess solar heat in the summer. This makes it easier for your heating and cooling systems to maintain a comfortable indoor climate without working overtime. By replacing your old windows with energy-efficient models, you can significantly improve your home's temperature regulation, ensuring that you enjoy a consistent and comfortable living space throughout the year. Increased energy efficiency. Inefficient windows are one of the leading culprits behind rising energy bills. Old windows, especially those with single panes or poor seals, allow warm or cool air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain your desired temperature. This inefficiency can cause your energy costs to soar. Energy-efficient windows. By opting for energy-efficient window replacement in Covington, you can significantly reduce heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer, lowering your overall energy consumption. Double or triple pane windows, along with low-E coatings, provide better insulation, helping to keep your home comfortable without relying heavily on your air conditioning or heating system. Proper sealing and installation. Poorly installed windows or gaps around the frame can also contribute to drafts and air leaks. Professional installation ensures that your new windows are properly sealed, eliminating these gaps and reducing the likelihood of air leakage, which in turn keeps your energy costs low. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows helps improve your home's energy efficiency, allowing you to save money on your energy bills while also reducing your environmental impact. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Living in a busy area or near a street in Covington can expose your home to unwanted noise from traffic, neighbors, or local events. Old windows often fail to block external noise, making it difficult to enjoy a peaceful, quiet environment inside your home. Window replacement can help reduce noise pollution, creating a more comfortable and serene living space. Noise-reducing windows. Modern windows with multiple panes and laminated glass are excellent at reducing noise transfer. These windows create a barrier that absorbs and blocks sound waves, making it easier to enjoy peace and quiet inside your home. Better insulation. In addition to their energy-saving properties, new windows that are properly sealed and insulated can also prevent external noise from entering your home. Whether you live near a busy street or in a neighborhood with lots of activity, replacing your old windows can help reduce the amount of noise that disrupts your home's comfort. If you've been bothered by external noise, window replacement in Covington can create a more peaceful indoor environment, making your home feel quieter and more relaxing. Better natural light and improved aesthetics. New windows don't just enhance your home's functionality, they can also improve its overall appearance. Natural light plays a significant role in creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. By replacing outdated, small, or inefficient windows with larger, more efficient ones, you can bring more light into your living spaces, creating a brighter and airier feel. Larger windows and better views. When you upgrade your windows, you can select larger, more modern styles that allow for more natural light to flow into your home. This not only enhances the aesthetic of your space but also contributes to your overall comfort by improving the ambiance and reducing the need for artificial lighting. Enhanced curb appeal. New windows can also improve your home's exterior appearance, boosting its curb appeal and making it more visually appealing from the street. Whether you choose sleek, modern windows or classic styles, new windows can instantly update the look of your home. The addition of natural light and improved aesthetics through window replacement creates a more inviting and comfortable atmosphere inside your home, making it a place you'll love to spend time in. Enhanced home value. Aside from improving comfort, window replacement in Covington can also increase your home's value. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes with updated, energy-efficient windows, especially in areas where the weather can be unpredictable. When you decide to replace your windows, you're not just enhancing your own living environment, you're also investing in your property's future market value. Conclusion. Window replacement in Covington is one of the most effective ways to enhance your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. With the benefits of improved temperature regulation, noise reduction, and natural light, upgrading your windows ensures that you and your family can enjoy a more comfortable living space. Plus, with long-term savings on energy bills and increased home value, new windows offer lasting benefits. Whether you're looking to make your home more energy efficient or simply improve your indoor environment, window replacement is a smart investment that pays off in both comfort and savings.